I used to wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning every single day in a cold sweat, stressed out, and confused because I was making money in my land flipping business, but I was still trapped and I still felt stuck. And I still felt stuck and I felt trapped because I had no systems installed into my business. I had no automations installed into my business. I had no processes installed into my business. And this is something that many people struggle with in life. When you don't have any process, any system, any code to follow in life, what happens is you get stuck, you get stressed out, and you end up being in this state of nausea all the time where you can't move, you can't think, you can't do anything. And as I sit here, I took my family to Napa for a few days. They actually have a partner program with Mercedes-Benz, so I just took this car out on a joyride, and I'm thinking about like, okay, why am I able to do this on like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like in the beginning of the week, but then my businesses are still running the way they're running. And not only that, but we're able to expand. Like we're able to expand into other asset classes now to where like I wouldn't have been able to do that before because we didn't have processes in place to do that, right? We're able to expand into asset classes where like, you know, when it's all said and done and deals are closed, some of these deals I may net upwards of 8 figures on. And so this is all because of process and systems. And what exactly does that mean? So first of all, you have to be able to define what you want for yourself. And if you can't define what you want for yourself, you're not going to be able to build any system or process around it. So years ago, about 4 to 5 years ago now, I sat down and I said, okay, what exactly do I want for myself out of my business, out of my finances, out of my life, and so on. And really, like, I'm a person that I do tie a lot of my success and my value to how much I can create in the marketplace. And it's done well for me so far. And so that's what I think about. That's what I thought about. First thing, okay, how much value can I create in the marketplace in order to be able to get the things that I want and do the things that I want and have the freedom and the peace that I want, right? Okay, I wrote that out. All right, so now that I know what those North Stars are, how do I create processes and systems around me getting to those things and then maintaining and then growing from there? So I thought about it. Okay, well, I have to get up at this time. I have to have this kind of team. I have to have these kinds of integrations in order to be able to do this many deals per month, this many deals per quarter, make this much per quarter, per year, and so on. We have to be doing this amount of calls, we have to be sending this amount of marketing, so on and so forth. And then with that, I have to be able to spend this amount of time on it and so on. So literally, like, everything needs to be dialed to the point where you know exactly where you're going, right? And when you know that, then it's so much easier to get there. The problem is a lot of people stay stuck because they don't know where they're going, and you're so focused on what other people are doing. When you stay super focused on what this guy's making, that guy's making, this girl, that girl, boom, 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 and you're focused on that, you don't even have enough time to help yourself and focus on yourself. And this becomes the problem. When you don't have any time to focus on yourself and help yourself, then you get so distracted, you get so bombarded that you end up being stuck. Now, I've seen this over many of my clients that I've helped make multiple 7 figures over the last year now. And guys that go from literally zero to having 50K profit months, guys that go from no deals at all, being stuck in the business for years, having $200,000 profit months, $300,000 profit months, and so on and so forth, guys that are making $400,000 to $500,000 in 1 year, having started from nothing, having started from zero, having started from not knowing the land business. And I start to think, okay, well, the system that I've created is one that I installed myself. That's why it works so well. And I can take my system that I created for myself and I can essentially copy it and paste it into other people's situations, depending on who they are, which is why you can see so many of these results. Like, I'm putting them on the screen. You can see so many of these results here. And so when I think about that, and when you think about like what you want out of life, you have to understand that it just comes from systems. And like what people want truly out of life is what? Like what I really want, like why do we want to make money, right? Why do we want to make a lot of money? Well, you want to have peace, right? You want to have a lot of peace. You want to be able to have time to think, time to sit down, time to Like, just reflect. And that's what I've been able to, I've been able to afford that luxury for myself. Like, that time to actually like think and reflect and like, what am I going to do to expand this empire into something that is 1,000x what it currently is, something that's 10,000x what it currently is. How do I do that, right? And when you start to think about that, you start to think bigger, everything around you just changes. And so I challenge you to think about not how you can maintain where you are, but how can you grow beyond where you are right now? How can you get wealthier? How can you make more impact? How can you drive more change? Because I truly believe that the wealthier we are, the more impact that we have to be able to make change around us. The wealthier we are. And the other thing, if I wasn't already wealthy, if I wasn't already in the position to where I've built my businesses to where I wanted them to go, and now I'm building them even bigger, if I wasn't already in this position, I wouldn't have been able to help other people do it either. So like, just that simple impact of me saying, of a guy being like, man, I can't figure this out. I'm stuck. I haven't done any deals in 6 months. Or, hey man, I want to learn how to do this. Or, you know what? I'm tired of what the S&P 500 is providing me. I want to make 15% of my money year over year. And I can show them how to do that plus way more, right? So multiple different people that I've been able to help with this asset class and with the model of land investing and land flipping, but that's because I put the oxygen mask on myself and I built it first. I built it first, so I know what works and I know exactly what doesn't work. So it's important for you to be able to get to the point where you can drive that kind of change for yourself and your and others around you. And if you don't have the finances, the capital, the wealth to be able to do so, it's going to be hard to do that. And when you realize just how fast like money moves, then you realize how much it is abundant to yourself. Like, money moves so quickly. As I'm speaking right now, billions and billions of dollars are being transferred. And so you have to realize that the money is there for you. You just have to go and get it. You just have to go and get it. And you have to define what it is that you want so you can go get it. Most people can't define what they want, and they want what someone else wants. And then when you don't have reasons, you don't have reasons for like why you're going after what you're going after, then what happens is you don't do the work that it's going to take. And then you start to feel lazy, lackadaisical, and then you get stuck, and then so on. And then you get in your own way, and then you spend another year, and then you're like, man, like, I don't have what I wanted to have. Like, I'm not anywhere close to where I wanted to be. And for me, when you sit down and reflect and you define exactly what you want and what you want, not what someone else wants, then it becomes a lot easier to go and get it and to build the process around getting it. Like, I'll give you an example. Like, in the land flipping business, it's a common thing for people to be like, oh, well, how much mail are you sending? Or are you texting? Or are you cold calling? Are you doing it like this? Are you doing it like that? Because people want to know what's working. But the reality is every single thing works. Everything works. It's just about how you do it and about how consistent you are with it. A lot of people look for that text or that cold call or that mailer to be instant results, right? You look for that text or whatever it is to be instant results. And the thing is, because you're looking at it to be instant results, it's not going to be instant results. You have to understand that you're running a business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not the lottery. And it takes time for your marketing to work. It takes time for things to work. It takes time for things to bake and season and so on. And people ask that because people want to know, what can I do immediately? What's going to work right now and so on. Let's say you're planting a tree. It takes time for the tree to grow. Some trees take 100 years to fully grow. And so when you think about it like that, with your marketing and with what you're doing, you need to be able to have a base. You need to be able to plant the tree. You need to be able to water it. You need to be able to make sure it has sun and so on in order for it to grow and sprout. And in order for you to get to where you want to go, you have to understand that digging up dirt and doing all this stuff and grinding and so on, it takes a lot of violence. It takes a lot of violence to get to where you want to go. But on the other side of that violence is open meadows and peace and so on. And that's what people have to realize, because it's absolutely worth getting to that point. It's absolutely worth going through the violence, going through the pain, going through the times where, like, you know, you're not making anything happen for yourself, but then you have to kind of figure out, okay, how am I going to make it happen for myself? And what is it that I actually want? And then people put out these like arbitrary numbers a lot. They'll be like, oh yeah, I want to make 50K. I want to make 100K. I want to make 50K a month. I want to make 100K a month. But do you actually know what that means? Have you actually mapped out what your dream life looks like when it comes to expenses, when it comes to how much you're investing, especially how much you're investing. Have you actually mapped that out to where like it makes sense for you to make 50K a month? Like I know at the point where I'm at now, if I'm making under 5 mil a year at this point, in order to get to my retirement number, I'm not going to hit it. So in my mind, I have to know, like, first of all, I have to make way more than that in order to live the life that I want, in order to invest the money that I want to make, and so on. And I've actually mapped that out expense by expense. I've mapped that out to where what I'm putting away in investments every single month, 70% of what I make every single month. So I know what that is, right? And I've mapped it out. And I don't say what that number is because of somebody else or because of what someone else says or what someone else is doing. I say that because of me. I say that because of what I know, what my goals are, and so on. And if you start to focus on yourself, you start to focus on your internal dialogue, your internal thoughts, your internal feedback loops. When you start to focus on that, then what happens is the world actually really starts to take care of you because you're focused on you. I'm not worried about what this guy or that guy or this girl. I don't care. And you shouldn't care either, right? Outside of me seeking some knowledge, maybe someone is a little bit further ahead of me than me in a certain thing. Hey, how did you grow your portfolio to this? Hey, I saw you invested in this company. How's that working out? How did you structure the deal so that you can get discounted equity? Those are questions that I ask. How did you structure the deal so you got discounted equity? How did you reach out to this firm so that you can, buy their property and so on? Like, these are the conversations that I have now, but I don't ever have conversations like, oh man, this guy made 30 million last year and I only made this. And so I don't care about that. I want to see how you did it. So I'm going up to people, I'm asking, that's what I do. And so if you want to level up and compress your timeline, you have to understand that a lot of the time, that's what you have to do. And you don't want to be sitting here 6 months from now in the same spot that you're currently in. You have to learn how to compress your timeline. Compressing your timeline is the number one thing that will make you wealthy in 2026 and beyond. If you can do things intentionally to compress your timeline and say, you know what, I can do that. It probably will take me a year and a half to get there. But if I get the upfront knowledge right now, it might take me 6 months. It might take me 3 months. It might take me 2 months. And honestly, I have people that have come into Landverse with like having no knowledge of land flipping at all. Like, let's not even talk about people that do have knowledge of it. Take my systems, implement them, and within 60 days are making money. I've had people come in that have CRMs full of leads that have been active in the business and have joined every other program under the book, but then they come to me, we audit their CRM, I see hundreds of thousands of dollars sitting there that everyone else told them to just send more mail or send more text, and then after month 1, month 2, they're texting me saying they made 50K in a month. Texting me saying they made 70K, 80K, or so on in a month. And so when you realize that, you realize just how powerful it is to compress your timeline and to not stay stuck because the money is there for you. So understand that the money is there for you. Understand that if you want to build the life that you want to build, you have to define what that is for you from an expenses standpoint to an investment standpoint to where you want to live, where you want to travel, the trips you want to be able to do, the peace you want to have, what you want your body to look like. You should actually like map out everything. I have an alchemy of self where I sit and I mapped out what I want my life to look like for the next 3 to 5 years. I know exactly what it looks like. Ask yourself that question. Do you know exactly what it looks like? Because when you know exactly what it looks like, you know exactly what you need to do to get there.